Hello students, myself Aditya. Today in this video, we are going to learn a new topic, digital root theory. In this theory, we are going to discuss what is digital roots, how it is useful in our mathematical life and in a simplification process. So let us start the topic with a definition, digital roots. So my question is, what is digital root? Before entering into the topic, we need to know about what is digital root. So we need to get a digital root of a number. The digital root of a number is the single digit. Is the single digit that results from the continuous summation again once I'll repeat, the digital root of a number is the single digit. It's important, is the single digit that results from the continuous summation of the digit of the number. Of the number and the numbers resulting from each summation. I'm going to explain you. Once again, the digital root of a number is the single digit that results from the continuous summation of the digit of a number. The meaning is, take an example, 1, 2, 3. This is 123. 123 is a natural number. Remember, the digital root of a number is the single digit. So we need to find the digital root of 1, 2, 3. So what we have to do, it is a continuous summation of the digit. The meaning of continuous summation of the digit is nothing but the given number, which the number 1, 2, 3, we must add 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now what we get here? The answer 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So the digital root of 123 is nothing but 6. Let us have one more example. 674. In 674, what we have to do? We have to sum this number. 6 plus 7 plus 4. The result is nothing but 17. But the definition what says, the digital root of a number is the single digit that results from the continuous summation. So we added here 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, but 17 is here double digit. So what we have to do? Again add this 17 until we get the single digit. 1 plus 7, 8. So the digital root of 674 is nothing but 6 plus 7 plus 4. That nothing but is equal to 17. Again we will continue. 1 plus 7 makes 8. In this way, I am going to give you some more examples where you can able to learn very easily. Now next I am going to teach you castle out method. In this digital roots, the castle out method is something different which we have to learn. Castle out method. Remember, castle out method. Now we are going to learn this. This is also one of the important topic in this digital roots. So what is castle out method? Let us take an example of 4, 6 and 5. We need to find the digital root of 4, 6 and 5. So how to do? What is castle out method? The meaning of castle out method is whenever you add those digits among this 465 is a natural number. Among this we have to guess it. When we add such 2 digits or 3 digits or 4 digits, whatever it might be, here just 3-digit number is there. So in this we have to add it such digits which gives you the result of 9. So here we can come to know that 4 and 5 will make us the result 9. 4 plus 5. So the castle out method meaning is 4 plus 5, 9. So just strike out 4 and 5 in your mind, not as for the sum. What we have to do? We have a number 4, 6, 5. The castle out method says that imagine 4 and 5 makes 9. So in your mind just you strike, and the left one is the 6. So your digital root is also 6. I hope you are understanding me. If we go to the main way of the sum, so here also we can do 4 plus actual procedure. 4 plus 6 plus 5. 6, 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. We will get 15, which means that 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So you can see 6 and 6. The digital root of 465 is 6. In this way, you have to do homework. Homework is very important. So I'll give you a few sums for as a homework. Remember, do it. If you do, you will be more faster in your simplifications. So the sums are 65, 97, 294, 763, 642, 61172, 89765, 36459, 211, 12909. This is your homework sums. Make sure homework is very important. So solve it. I hope you understand my method. If not, one more example I'll show you. Which one you want? Let us take this. Yeah, fine. So let us start doing this. Sum 36459. So either we have to add it, or otherwise what we have to do? We have to follow the castle out method even though. Here 9 cancel, 5, 4 cancel, 6, 3 cancel. Yeah, 9. The sum of this 2, 9. The sum of this 2, 9. So 9, 9, 9. 9 means cancel and becomes 0. Remember, when 9 comes, cancel, and results gives us 0. So the digital root of this sum is also 0. That's all. It's very simple. I hope you are getting my digital root. So now the next point. How and which areas it is useful. Very important. Today we are going to learn in this video addition with digital roots. What? Addition with digital roots. So first topic. Here the terms and conditions also being applied in the digital roots. Especially digital roots are possible in additions, subtractions and multiplications, not for division. Let us add now this sum. 2 plus 1 makes 3. 3 plus 3 makes 6. 6 plus 4 makes 10. So we write 0. 1 as carryover. 8, 7, 15, 15, 6, 21, 5. 8, 7, 15, 15, 6, 21, 21, 5, 26 plus 1, 27. 7, 2 carryover. 8 4 12, 12 9 21, 21 plus 6 27, 27 plus 2 29, 9, carry 2, 6 2 8, 8 7 15, 15 4 19, 19 2 21. You also can do your sum. Children do in the examination in this way. Then someone lose mark. If the sum is correct, they will gain the marks. Here, this digital root theory, we will link with this sum. And we will check whether the answer is correct or not. That is the digital root helps. Digital root helps in addition, subtraction and multiplication to check the answers, to verify whether this answer is correct or not. For that, find the digital root of this 21970. Digital root of this. Use the cancel out method if you learn. Otherwise, add this natural number. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 0, 19. We got 19. Then what we have to do? 1 plus 9. Yes, correct. 1 plus 9 makes what? 10. Yes. 1 plus 9 makes 10. So again, what we have to do? 10. Again split. 1 plus 0. That nothing but 1. So 1 is the digital root of this 21970. I hope you understand cancel out method. You can check. 9 cancel. In your soul you make it cancel. Don't strike it here. 9 finished. Got 0. 7 plus, I'll put a dot. 7 plus 2. If we add 7 plus 2, 9. And 1 plus 0, 1. Where the answer matches. Now digital root we need to find. Here the solution, what we got, 21,970, digital root is 1. The sums, the given sum, in horizontally, we need to find the digital roots. So horizontally we need to find the digital root of this. What is the digital root of 4654? So here 5 and 4 cancel. Yes, 4 and 5 we may cancel. Okay, let us cancel here, no problem. But in examination time, don't cancel. 4, 5, 9. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 where the value got 1. The digital root is 1. I hope you are understanding. Otherwise, I'll elaborate once. Here we got 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 where 1 plus 0, 1. Sure? Okay. Digital root is 1 for this line. Now this line digital root. Here 9 cancelled, vanished out. 6 plus 3 cancelled. Here also we got the digital root, left is 7. In this line we need to follow. 8 plus 1, 9, 7 plus 2, 9, so 7, 2 cancelled, 8, 1 cancelled. Here we got digital root, everything is cancelled, so 0. Last line, first. So the last line result. What can we cancel anything? No, nothing. 6, 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So we got here 20, 20 where 2 plus 0, 2. Now we got here the digital root 1702 for each of the line. In this we need to add this sum. Okay? To add this digital root 7, 8, 9 and 1 plus 0. What we got? 7 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Here we got 10. That 1 plus 0, split it out. Here we got 1. So we can find here. Here also we got 1. And here also we got 1. That meaning the both sides, the digital root helped us. The given answer, what the answer we got, it's correct. I hope you understand my point. It's wonderful. So in the next video, I'm going to share with you subtractions. I hope you understand. If you understand this video, share to your friends and don't forget. Okay? Bye bye.